Where I add this image to edit in Photoshop. This tutorial will help you to make it. So let's use the curve where we will stretch it, keep editing the designs, add some filters in the filter gallery, use some brushes here. We will have to explore the changes, make an addition. Thank you for watching the video. So we will add some further frames around it. So we will use a history brush to make some changes. Thank you for watching my video.